Armenia is a member of the Council of Europe and the European Union's Eastern Partnership. It has undertaken reforms to align its legislation with European human rights standards.
In Armenia, I have to underline there is a noticeable progress. So it's not solved and far from ideal, but it's now less and less, I would say, evident and on surface. It's now more sophisticated.
That's why the Council of Europe, with financial support from the European Union and the cooperation of the Armenian government, is working on a justice reform and human rights program.
The aim of the improvement of criminal justice system is very important in the sense of improvement mechanism of protection of human rights, and I think all this mechanism can work in benefit of Armenian citizens. So, and in this part, and especially in this reform, I would like to stress the role of Council of Europe.
The minister was one of the keynote speakers at the launch of the latest project in the Armenian capital, Yerevan. In his 2014 report, the Council of Europe Commissioner for Human Rights urged the Armenian authorities to improve the criminal justice system and to enhance safeguards against ill treatment. It's clear something has to be done, and the will, as well as the EU funding, is there to achieve it.
Yes, the European Union is committed to assist Armenia in further reforms in the sector of justice.
Which is just as well. It will take time for Armenian criminal legislation to be brought into line with European human rights standards. It's a complex business.
My main challenge at this moment to ensure the criminal procedure in our country to be maximum in compliance with the European Court precedent law and European Court law in general.
It's not just the legislation that needs to be adapted, but also the practice. One solution is the Justice Academy in Yerevan, where judges and prosecutors are trained, including training on human rights issues.
Academy of Justice is a newly established institution in Armenia. It was established in 2013. It was a very interesting situation in Armenia that we already have a building for Academy of Justice built in 2011, but the institution haven't been established because of because the law has not been adopted yet.
As of 2015, investigators are also undertaking courses designed to bring their practices more in line with European standards, ending both the ill treatment of suspects and impunity for law enforcement officials.
Դասընթացները օգնում են նրանով, որ նախ ինչպես արդեն նշեցինք, ուսումնասիրվում է վճռաբեկ դատարանի դիրքորոշումները, որոնք ապահովում են օրենքի միատեսակ կիրառությունը, ինչը շատ կարևոր նշանակություն ունի մարդու իրավունքների եւ ազատությունների պահպանման եւ բարձր արժեքի գնահատման դերում.
This project aims to make a real difference through improving criminal legislation, but as well as enhancing the knowledge and skills of investigators on criminal justice and human rights, they will also learn how to investigate cases of ill treatment in a way that meets the standards of the European Court of Human Rights. It will ensure better protection for the rights of Armenian citizens.